Hi students, welcome to our channel Max Plus U. Today we're going to discuss Bangalore Sahodaya School Complex ma last year question paper with marking scheme. First question from the chapter 1 real numbers children. Second question from the polynomials. Third questions from the linear equation in two variables. Fourth question from the quadratic equation. Fifth one from triangles. Sixth one from coordinate geometry. Seventh one from introduction to trigonometry. Eighth one is from circle. Ninth one is from area related to circles. Then 10th one again is from triangle. 11th one is from coordinate geometry. 12th one is from introduction to trigonometry. 13th one is from triangle. 14th one is from statistics. 15th one is from probability ma. 16th one is from statistics ma. So we all know probability statistics together only one unit. 17th one is from surface area volumes. 18th one is from area related to circles. 19th and 20th assertion reasoning children. 19th question is from area related to circles. 20th question is from chapter 1 real numbers. Section B 21 is from what unique solution. Chapter 3 parafinary equation 2 variable. 22 is from circles. 23 is from triangles. 24 my favorite question, perimeter of protractor, pi r plus 2r. So 24th is from area related to circles. Then another one is shaded region. Then 25 is from trigonometry. Actually, the second one is root over 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta. Here, this book sum only. The root was supposed to be proper. And 26 is prove that 5 minus root 3 irrational. Chapter 1 real numbers, root 3 irrational they given. 27 here it is minus alpha. This is alpha, here also alpha. Alpha and beta, here minus alpha and minus beta, we wanted to form the polynomial. 28th is train question, we all know. Then either type is quadratic equation, we wanted to solve it and get the answer for 3 marks. And 29 actually is nice question. I think this model question I last pre-board exam paper we have discussed like KONGU Sahodaya. In that also I have we have solved like this type of question. Kindly check. And this sum we are expecting most of the question. Exercise 8.3 question number 3 model. Actually this is 1 by root 3. Tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. Then this is also tan a equals to 1 by root 3. So introduction to trigonometry ma, chapter 30th question. Then 31st is from probability. Then section D 32 is from parafinary equation 2 variable. This question is there in your book, this model exercise 3.5 that before that upstream and downstream we have exercise. So there we have solved this. We have this type of book, and this is also important profit by using sum. They have asked in 5 marks, so kindly prepare. Then 33 as usual BPT and trapezium sum, both are book question, kindly solve. Easy. This trapezium also is literally in their book. Then 34 surface area volumes, both water flowing and water flowing you should know it is there like that one question is there, but this sum is important only. Hemispheres are mounted by a cone. Then 35 as usual example sum, median is 525, find the value of x and y. We know this question is one of the first foremost. Section A case study pa. Sports, cricket, captain, field according to the plan. This is what according to the plan. Distance between the points showing the place A and a wicket keeper B is 5m. Distance is 5m. What is the value of P? Then a ratio in second question. Third subdivision, they are asking you to find a value of x. So go through doubt is then ask me. 37th clinometer pa. That means application of trigonometry ma. R1, R2 like that, two things they have given you. From the R, refer to the R1, they are asking one question. Height of the tower is what? Angle of elevation given and height of the tower is what? From the referring to the R2, they are asking length of the shadow by the tower of 150-meter high. Then 28th question, if you see now, they are talking about AP 30th installment and the total amount pay. Total amount pay na what? A and S and I think. Then now we are talking about the answer key. Question number 1 to question number 8 answer key is given here. Check. Options only have been given. Suppose you need the steps, na, you kindly inform me. Already for CSSC, not only this, all this pre-board exam we have discussed. The CSSC answer key, how the MCQS answers comes also separately video we have released. Kindly see till question number 9 to 17 have given here. Question number 18 to 20 options have been given. Section B, 21st question, you see where and all been given marks, 1 mark like the 2 1 marks they have given. So proper apply the formula A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So P not equal to 4 if you done, I will get that 21st question. So for all the values of P other than 4, the answer will be 22nd. You have to do by congruent by using RHS congruence, go through triangle OPT congruent to triangle OQT. Then angle 1 equal to angle 2 you can say by CPCT. Then take triangle OMP and OMQ. So you can take OMP, OMQ. The two triangle we going to again prove it as a congruent by SAS and prove angle 3 and angle 4 are equal. Then adding 180 degree, get angle OMP is 90 degree. So OT is the right bisector of the line segment PQ. Nice question. 23rd, easy. BPT only going to use. They said PER. They given you PS and PQ. Use BPT and get the value of PT. Like AD by DB equal to A by EC will do now. Like that only normal basics BPT sum. 24th, perimeter of semicircle pi r plus 2 r pi plus 2 into r. Substitute it, get the value of radius and get to the area of the protractor. Half into pi r square here it's look like just pi r, the square is here, okay, half into pi r square by 2 for semicircle. Then the another one is area of the shaded region, that if you apply now, whether it is in the syllabus or like that, it was been a very big question. Normally yes, it is there in the area of the shaded region, area of the sector, you want to do it and getting it. Then 25th question, trigonometry, secant A given, tan A I want to find it and find the value. This is just making in terms, easy only. And that this question is our favorite question, is there in book exercise 8.4, 6th question, the root over book question only, so easy, you will solve it. 26, 5 minus root 3 is irrational. They itself given root 3 irrational. If they are not given root 3 irrational, now prove root 3 irrational and proceed. If they itself said given that root 3 irrational, no problem, this you know very well. 27, they given minus alpha minus beta as a zeros. So add, when you are adding minus alpha minus beta, minus take common. Alpha plus beta L3 minus 6, negative of negative 6, minus of minus 6 plus 6. Minus alpha beta value, already we getting it as minus into minus plus alpha beta, that is nothing but 9. Apply the formula and get the answer, that's it. Train sum, you are getting it as 360 by x and 360 by x plus 5, both you subtracting and getting the 48 by 60, 4 by 5, getting the equation x square plus 5x minus 2250 and getting the value of x. Negative is not possible. Trains, you know, this basic. And the normal, so quadratic equation they have asked in 3 mark. Usually quadratic equation 5 mark, linear equation 3 mark will be there. But in the question, linear equation 5 mark, quadratic equation 3 mark. Normal simplified that quadratic equation sum. So take LCM and get the answer. But there is not all necessary once you get the quadratic equation, only factorization like that. If you want, you can use quadratic formula also, no problem. Our wish, which you are convenient that you do. Since it's not a word problem, so you can't say minus 5 is not possible. Both are possible. X equal to minus 5, x equal to 6 by 5. 29 ma. As I said, this model sum is there even in KONGU Sahodaya paper that was being uploaded yesterday. Kindly check other pre-board papers also. If you have any doubts, you can ask and clarify. Then the tan A plus B sum, this is, we know, exercise 8.3, question number 3 sum model. This type of question repeatedly we are seeing each time. 7 square sin square A plus 3 cos square A. This we know. They have done by dividing the cos square A actually to get the tan square A. That is our wish. We can do in other way also. 31st one, probability. You have to get the answer anyway. 2 coins are tossed. So what is the probability of getting utmost, not topmost? The first one is getting two head. Getting two head is exactly two head. Utmost one head, na? Topmost is one head. One head and zero head have to consider. No head itself, no. Head itself should not come. Then 32. That profit question. Cost price of chair X. Why? See, pa. Just writing cost price of chair rupees X and 1Y, that carries off mark. So kindly write the given proper. Then selling price of one chair, profit table. According to the question, we will get the equation 125 by 100x plus 110 by 100y equal to 1520. Case 2. Profit on a chair, selling price of one chair. At last we are getting x equals to 600, y equal to 700. So conclusion carries mark, see, conclusion carries off mark. So kindly conclude the answer. Book question, speed of the car. 100 was given in the book, now they are given here 80. That's it. Same sum, repeated, and very, very important. See, nicer, they said proof with the diagram over. How they are giving, you see. Here they given half mark, proof 2 mark. Sometimes they will give given to prove construction diagram 1.5 mark, proof only 1.5 mark, like that. So that may vary. So 1 mark or 2 mark or 1.5, whatever, kindly do given to prove construction diagram, all are proper. This sum also book sum only, but trapezium sum go through. Then the volume of water through pipe, we are getting the answer. 45 centimeter, easy, only go through it. Then radius of the cone, 166 5 by 6 is nothing but 1001 by 6. Volume equal to volume, actually this was not there in this time portion, but they have given in the thing. Cost of painting at last is to 770. Our own favorite question, median sum. Example sum in your book, it is there available. X plus y 24. Here they given half mark. Usually they are giving this itself, usually they are giving 1 mark, but here they are given half mark. That mark can be splitted in either way. At last we are getting the value x is 9, y is 15. Thirty-sixth question. Value of p, ratio x. They are not solved here. Just a final answer alone they are given. Check. If you have a doubt in the final answer alone, kindly tell me. Forward to your friends, children. It will be useful for them. Thank you.